A faded exterior can make even a well-maintained vehicle look older than it really is, and that is where this premium wax makes a noticeable difference. Thetford Premium RV Wax is designed to bring back color, depth, and shine while protecting surfaces from harsh outdoor conditions. From the first application, it delivers a rich, mirror-like finish that helps your vehicle stand out wherever it goes. Formulated with the finest Carnauba wax, this premium wax creates a durable, UV-resistant protective layer that helps shield surfaces from sun damage, oxidation, and environmental wear. It works efficiently to remove light oxidation and restore dull finishes without harming underlying materials. As it bonds to the surface, it enhances gloss and leaves a smooth, polished look that lasts, making routine maintenance easier over time. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. This wax can be safely used on cars, RVs, trucks, motorcycles, boats, ATVs, snowmobiles, and more. It has been tested and proven safe on fiberglass, gel coat, painted metal, aluminum, stainless steel, and chrome, and it will not harm or fade decals. That makes it an excellent all-in-one solution for households or owners with multiple vehicles. Application is straightforward and user-friendly. After thoroughly cleaning and drying the surface, simply shake the bottle. Apply the wax evenly with a clean cloth or applicator using circular motions, allow it to dry, and then wipe away the haze with a microfiber towel. The wax spreads smoothly and buffs off easily, even on large surfaces like RVs, saving time and effort. A single gallon goes a long way, often covering large fifth wheels or motorhomes with product left over for future applications. This product is part of the trusted vehicle care lineup from Thetford, a brand known for practical and reliable solutions. Users consistently praise how easy it is to apply and how much shine it delivers, especially on large RV exteriors exposed to sun and weather for long periods. If you want to restore color, protect your investment, and enjoy a deep, long-lasting shine across all your vehicles, click the link in the video description to learn more and purchase this premium wax. Subscribe to the channel to discover more high-quality products that help keep your vehicles looking their best all year round.